This text is EVP captions from EVPs I hear later while editing. If you want to hear it, I suggest listening with headphones. So I just left Skinwalker Ranch, and I think I was closed down in there to keep me under some sort of protection. And like on the way out, I'm talking in my helmet, talking to my guides, and I'm more connected with them than I've been in a long time. I'm pulling up to the road and I'm like, do I go right or left? Right or left? And they're like, go right. I'm like, I kind of want to go left because there's a town right there. They're like, go right, right. There's a coffee shop. I'm like, yeah, I could go for some coffee. And they're like, maybe they have tea. I get up to the window or whatever, and I ordered a tea, so they win. But anyway, yeah, I feel way better. And I just talked to Crystal. I talked to her last night while trying to go to bed. And she was saying that she's only heard me this scared before when I pulled up at a spot in Alaska where I was gonna go camp, and there was pretty sure there was a Bigfoot right there, like right in that vicinity. And this was, yeah, it was, she said that's the only other time she's heard me scared like this. So yeah, last night was no joke. She also asked, would I take her, or would I take my brother, would I take a loved one to Skinwalker Ranch? And there are like two answers there. There's the answer where it's like, no, I wouldn't, because like I wouldn't want to put anybody else at risk. There's some serious stuff that happens there. I think it's messing around with some strong juju. And then the other answer is like, of course, if we had the opportunity, of course I'd take whoever it was. All right, now I have to figure out where to go. And thank you, guides.